Hi, my name's Mackenzie and I'm in Dylan's coaching program for my Etsy shop, and I just wanted to come on here and say just how grateful I am for this program. It's definitely currently changing my life. I've been in the program now for about 4 weeks, and last month in June my shop revenue $350, which is what I was probably doing on average, and within 4 weeks of her program, the month isn't even over yet for July, and my shop has already revenued $1,200. So just instilling the practices and the methods that Dylan advises has completely changed the dynamic of my shop. Not only is her coaching genuine, it's real, it's cost effective. There's so many Etsy gurus out there that just recommend so many different programs. I've tried them all. I've followed so many different people and I've implemented all of their practices, and it's gotten me nowhere. And I joined this program, and within 4 weeks my shop has already tripled its revenue in 1 month. And just being a part of the community group is so special. It's really hard being a business owner and not being surrounded by like-minded people, whether that be, not everyone understands what it takes to build a business. Your friends and family and even your husband can be supportive of you, but they're really not going to understand what it takes mentally, physically, especially if you already work a full-time job and have kids, so it's just so important to have other people, and especially Dylan just exemplifies such a work ethic that I would strive to have. And it's just great knowing that there's other people out there that think the same way I do and that want to have the same goals that I do and want to do the same things. So it makes me feel like I'm not crazy. And she's true, she's honest, she's just the 24/7 being there for you. That's what I really needed. I just needed someone to show me the way, and I knew as long as I put in the work that this was going to work, and she just shows that, and it's just already proving itself. Obviously it's scary making such a huge investment into a business and into yourself, especially when you don't start out with a lot of money, but it is 100% worth it, and I would do it over and over and over again because of just the value that comes from what she teaches. And it's not complex, it's easy, and she really builds you up and she supports you as a person and as a business owner, and I just think that truly shows how real she is and how much she respects and values other people's time, money, and lives. So thank you so much, Dylan, for the program that you've put together. It's definitely giving me options. I want to have options in life. I love my 9-to-5 job, but I want to have freedom. I want to have time freedom to not only support my family but others as well, and I just want to be able to have options in life, and this is certainly going to get me there. So thank you so much for everything that you've put together and just who you are, and just what you represent. Yay!